Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to play for you another piece from the student repertoire. The piece that I'm going to play for you today is called El Vito by José Despiazu, and I would say that the level is right around early intermediate. The Vito is actually an old Andalusian dance form from roughly around the 1700s, and it predates flamenco. Anyway, this particular style, the Vito, hints quite a bit at flamenco in terms of harmony and melody. It uses two scales, the harmonic minor scale and the Phrygian scale, and then harmonically, in terms of the chords, it uses the Andalusian cadence. That's the descending cadence that you hear a lot in flamenco. It sounds like this. Okay, so you're going to hear that same sound occur often in this particular piece, this particular Vito. Okay, so without further ado, here is El Vito. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the performance. If you'd like to see more pieces from the student repertoire, please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. Select all so that you are guaranteed to get a notification. And also please click the like button because that does help promote the video. Remember, on this channel, I also share videos on flamenco and classical guitar technique, as well as science-based practice strategies that help you improve quickly. So if you're interested in that, again, please click subscribe and the notification bell. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.